If you're watching this and you're over 60, I need you to pause whatever you're doing. Because what I'm about to share could be the difference between struggling in retirement and living the comfortable life you've always dreamed of. Even if you think it's too late, even if your savings account makes you want to cry, here's the brutal truth nobody talks about. Financial advisors will tell you that you need $1 million to retire comfortably. But what if I told you that's complete nonsense? What if comfortable retirement isn't about how much you have, but how smart you are with what you do have? I've helped thousands of people over 60 create retirement budgets that work with ANY income level, and today, I'm giving you the exact system they used. Whether you have $50,000 saved or $500,000 saved, this will change everything. It's called the Comfort Zone Formula, and it has 3 simple parts that anyone can master in the next 5 minutes. Forget everything you know about budgeting. In retirement, your money works differently. Here's how to split your retirement income. 50% for out essentials, housing, utilities, groceries, healthcare premiums. 30% for comfort living, dining out, hobbies, small trips, gifts for grandkids. 20% for security, emergency fund growth, and unexpected medical costs. Now here's the secret sauce most people miss. You can make any income fit this formula by being strategic about each category. Let me show you exactly how. ****** Part 2. The Geographic Arbitrage Secret 145 to 230****. This one strategy alone can instantly increase your buying power by 40% or more, and it's perfectly legal. If you're currently living in a high-cost area, consider this. Your $3,000 monthly income in San Francisco has the buying power of $1,800, but that same $3,000 in Asheville, North Carolina, it spends like $4,200. I'm not saying you have to move to a cornfield. I'm talking about beautiful, safe communities with lower costs of living, great healthcare, and active senior communities. This single decision has saved my clients hundreds of thousands of dollars over their retirement. Here's how to turn your retirement into a money-making machine. Even if you're not working full-time, most retirees rely on 3 sources: Social Security, savings, and maybe a pension. But comfortable retirees have 5 to 7 income streams. Social Security optimized timing. For 401k, IRA withdrawals tax smart. Part-time consulting in your expertise, rental income from downsizing, high-yield savings and CDIS, dividend-paying investments, small business or hobby income. Even adding just $500 per month from 2 additional streams gives you $12,000 extra per year. Over 20 years of retirement, that's $240,000 more to live on. Let me give you 2 real examples from my clients' names changed for privacy. Margaret, 63, divorced, had $75,000 saved and was terrified. We relocated her from Phoenix to Knoxville, Tennessee. Her housing costs dropped by $800 per month. She started tutoring online for $400 per month. Result: she went from panic to peaceful, living comfortably on $2,800 per month total. Robert, 67, had $300,000 saved but was spending it too fast. We restructured his withdrawals, moved him to a 55 community with included activities, and he picked up part-time work at a golf course he loves. He now spends less each month but enjoys his life more. Here's what you need to do in the next 48 hours. First, calculate your true monthly expenses using the 50-30-20 rule. Be honest about what you actually spend. Second, research 3 lower-cost areas that appeal to you. Use online cost of living calculators. Third, list 3 ways you could earn $300 to $500 per month doing something you actually enjoy. Fourth, talk to a fee-only financial planner about optimizing your Social Security timing and withdrawal strategy. If this video helped you see retirement differently, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world money strategies. And here's my challenge. Share this with one person you know who is worried about their retirement. Sometimes the best gift you can give someone is hope with a plan. Remember, comfortable retirement isn't about having the most money. It's about being the smartest with the money you have. You've got this.